Hey guys, welcome back to the Mazda Miata. Today we're going to be taking the child restraints out from behind the passenger seat so we can push the passenger seat all the way back, and then going to go clean her up. As you can see, this was that was where the seatbelt mounts were, and right there was where the seat slide stop was to keep it from sliding back any farther and hitting those mounts. So now that we've removed all that, the seat should be able to go all the way back just like the driver's seat. Now both seats are all the way back and they're sitting at the same angle, and the passenger should have a little bit more legroom now because the seat could go back another 1 or 2 notches. As you can see, she's all cleaned up. It was a good day.